There may be a time in your life when you're asked to help clear out the estate of a family member, a loved one, or just a dear friend. And if so, there are some basic steps that you should follow to make this happen and help it run smoothly. So stay tuned and I'll walk you through those steps. Hi, this is Cary from Cary Organizing, your certified professional organizer. And one thing an organizer also helps do is clearing out estates. It is a very sad part of life that when someone does pass from this earth, there is a wake of memories and possessions and a life left behind that has to be tidied up and distributed among friends, family, collected so you can hold on to that financial wealth that might be in the estate and distributed to the heirs. So it's a big part of being a professional organizer. It's one that I love because it's like you get to know the family, you get to know the person who has passed away. You become part of the family in a sense because you learn so much about everybody and you're helping them safeguard the trust of this and the financial trust of this individual, as well as cherish the memories. So let's get started, and there's just a basic number of steps to do this and help it run smoothly and help you in your role as an organizer best serve these families. The first step is to meet with the executor and get to know everybody in this person's life, who their family members are, if there's any surviving siblings or cousins, who their best friends were, what they did. You're going to get to know so much about this person and the special place they held in many people's lives, so it's good to know everything you can from the beginning. The second good step is to find out what the timing is for this estate. Are they trying to expedite closure so that they can put the house up for sale, or is there a long time to let friends and family come and process and review items and take the things that they hold most dear? So that's going to set the tone of how you do things, how quickly you do things, how fast you move, and it definitely sets a tone for the entire estate organizing process. You'll then want to meet the key stakeholders in this estate. Who are the people that are going to be helping you do your job? Is there a realtor? Is there a stager? Who is the most important point person for you to have on your speed dial? Are there going to be repairmen coming in to make repairs while you're there? Are they starting to get the house ready for sale right away? There's so many things. So create a great contact list of all the people that you need to have in mind, and you are really the person on the ground helping keep everything together. When it comes to possessions of what's in the home, of course you're going to start first with what's in the will, and if there's anything that's stated to be distant to a certain individual. After that, talk to the executor and see how they best want to determine who gets what in this home. There might be a favorite piece of furniture that one of the siblings wants, or a favorite shawl or coat that a daughter wants. Let those decisions be had first. That's the most important thing. Family and very close friends get the first dibs, as you say, on what's left behind. Then the next thing is you want to look at what's the value of everything. That's where you start seeing, okay, where's the value in this estate and what do we want to try to keep within the family or the trust in itself. So look at all the things that are valuable, like cars, nice clothes, belongings, maybe there's some china or some nice decor that could be sold. So look at do a full account of appraising everything in the home that could have some value. After you have removed everything from the premises that's valuable, that could actually be appraised and bring some financial income into the trust, you then want to look at what could be sold. And that's where you might look at auctions, like estate houses, online auctions, or consignment shops to help you earn money on the possessions that this individual collected. You then want to look at all the donations so that you can clear all the donations from the home. And this is where you go room by room, closet by closet, shelf by shelf, and go through everything, where you're basically discerning what could be donated and what should be discarded. Another step is looking at all the paper. Usually paper is a huge priority because there's lots of documents to go through. So with you and possibly the executor, go through everything very carefully, make sure you capture everything, house deeds, appraisals of valuable items, all the IRAs and any kind of bank information that can be valuable and helpful in helping the trustee to really figure out what's going on with this trust. And after that, you want to hire a shredding company. The shredding companies can bring a truck right to your site and shred everything right there, or they can drop off bins, so you can just slowly go through the paper yourself and then have the bins picked up. Either way, you need to have definitely a day or two set just aside for paper. And the last thing that happens is having the hauling company come to help remove everything that is not going to be sold, that will not be donated, that is left. Usually this is older furniture that might be damaged, that's not donatable, window treatments that can't be donated, just trash from the home. So this is the last step in clearing a home, very important, and you want to make good friends with those haulers because they're going to help you out a lot.
Right here. Woohoo! Go hard, people, man. What's happening?
I hope you've learned something in this video, a little bit about how to go about closing out an estate, whether it's your own loved one or if you are helping some friends go through this, or if you're a professional organizer. It's an incredibly valuable role to hold. You're helping people through a very challenging, difficult, sad time in their lives, and you are helping keep the ship upright, keep it sailing forward, and doing what needs to get done to get them to that other side where they can actually honor this friend, cherish those memories, and celebrate the life that was lived. If you've liked this video and have learned something, I would love it if you'd give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, I hope you have a great organized day.